Pinagay wayan ay kolak pangwayan. Kakayo logan bunung bukon kayo rubukan jabnang na bijan nang na bijan. Kamana mena baris. Kabaler ya bayana baris. Kayo mga jang palinjik ba. Rutarinay roanen bunung.
I think, we've all been dealing with COVID fatigue. It's like COVID this, the COVID that, so everybody's just kind of getting tired of it. As healthcare professionals, I think we need to continue to educate them. And for the Marshallese community, I've always used the preface that, you're doing what you're doing to protect your family. And that's our culture. What we do in life is all about our family. So you need to be vaccinated so you can keep yourself nice and healthy, so you can take care of your family as well.
Junior company gana Moderna, kaya apply by emergency use authorization.
Yeah, that town hall, I enjoyed it. It was good to kind of show folks that, we're all together in this. That, you also have these resources out there that you actually can reach out to them if you have any questions, whether it's for COVID or something else. Like I said, it's that silver lining of this pandemic. Finally brought us together to work together as one, not in different silos. When you're together, you're stronger together. It's about the community, it's about the family, it's about the village, right? So it takes all of us to address the needs of the village.